everyone. Welcome back to Cars Wars Pack. Today, we're diving into a legendary name that's all about rugged strength, luxury, and performance. Yes, it's the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. This SUV has a reputation for tackling the toughest terrains while offering a premium driving experience. Stick around, and let's explore why the Pajero Sport is still a powerhouse in the world of 4x4 SUVs. Let's start with the design. The Mitsubishi Pajero Sport is built to stand out. Up front, it has Mitsubishi's signature dynamic shield grille with bold chrome accents that give it a strong, aggressive look. The headlights are sharp and stylish, featuring LED projectors for enhanced visibility, which is essential for night driving. The sculpted body, with bold lines running along the sides, gives it that sporty, athletic profile. Moving to the back, you'll notice the sleek tailgate with distinctive LED taillights that enhance visibility and style. It's a refined yet rugged look, perfect for an SUV that's ready for both city streets and mountain trails. And the Pajero Sport offers an impressive ground clearance of around 218 mm, along with approach and departure angles designed for serious off-roading. Now, step inside, and you'll see that the Pajero Sport doesn't compromise on luxury. The interior is spacious, fitted with high-quality materials, soft-touch leather, and a well-designed layout. The seats are plush and supportive, perfect for long drives. Plus, the driver's seat is electrically adjustable, adding to the comfort. The cabin also boasts a dual-zone climate control system to keep everyone comfortable, regardless of the weather outside. There's even a second-row air conditioning system, so passengers in the back have their own comfort controls. And let's not forget about the large touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you easy access to navigation, music, and more. When it comes to performance, the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport delivers big time. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 2.4-liter MIVEC turbocharged diesel engine that cranks out around 181 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, which ensures smooth gear changes and efficient fuel usage, making it a versatile choice for both city and off-road driving. For those who love off-roading, the Pajero Sport comes with Mitsubishi's renowned Super Select 4WD2 system, allowing you to switch between 4 different driving modes. You can move from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive with ease, and there's even a low-range 4x4 mode for extreme terrains. Plus, with its terrain selection system, you can adapt to different surfaces like gravel, mud, sand, and rock with just a switch. Mitsubishi has packed the Pajero Sport with advanced technology. Safety is a big focus, so this SUV includes features like Forward Collision Mitigation for preventing frontal accidents, blind spot warning, and rear cross-traffic alert. There's also hill start assist and hill descent control, which make climbing and ascending slopes much safer. Another standout feature is the multi-around monitor, which provides a 360-degree view of your surroundings, perfect for parking in tight spots or navigating narrow trails. And with adaptive cruise control, you can enjoy a relaxed, stress-free drive, especially on highways. The Pajero Sport is all about practicality. You get generous cargo space, enough for a weekend getaway or a camping trip. The rear seats are flexible, so you can fold them down to expand the cargo area for larger items. With a towing capacity of up to 3,100 kilograms, this SUV is also ideal for hauling trailers, boats, or other recreational gear. Despite its powerful engine, the Pajero Sport maintains reasonable fuel efficiency for an SUV of its class. It averages around 12 to 14 kilometers per liter, which is quite competitive in the 4x4 segment. To sum it up, The Mitsubishi Pajero Sport is a perfect blend of rugged capability, advanced technology, and luxurious comfort. Whether you're hitting the road, exploring the mountains, or just enjoying city drives, this SUV is built to perform. It's an ideal choice for anyone looking for an adventurous spirit combined with everyday practicality. So, what do you think of the Pajero Sport? Does it match your adventure dreams? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Cars Wars Pack for more exciting reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.